So guys, apparently there's a second fairy face. Okay, let's see if that's true. Alright, let me get it set up. Oh, where should I set it up? Alright, oh wait, I gotta set it up somewhere. Right here. Alright. What the? Is there a third face?
That's it.
No way, guys. That's no way. No way there was a freaking second Verity face. That's insane. Okay, guys. Just to check again. Look, just to see if it's real. Let's check again. No way. Guys, you see that? No way, guys. Why is that there, though? Please don't report this mistake, and please don't patch this, because that's insane that there's a second Verity face. Guys, this is me when I first figured out there's a second Verity face and that it wasn't lying. This is me if we were able to go smaller when we were backwards and bigger when we went forward. All right. Done. Alright guys, that's the end of today's video. Peace.